Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the SportsFire app on your Amazon Firestick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step is of course getting the app called Downloader to your Firestick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up there, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then just follow me. So we need to go to the home screen of your Firestick. Open the search bar right here. Here we go. And now in a search, we start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it, and now here's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, we need to go to the settings. Here you go. Open My Fire TV there. And what we're gonna do here next is turn on developer options for the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. And in here, all you have to do is just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we just go back to the list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is, open it, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any service. Let's say I will connect to Latvia right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So just go back to the list of apps on your device, open it up, and now we have to open the Downloader here. So we open Downloader, there we go. Wait a moment before it loads for you. And here in the app, you just open the search bar and start typing in the code. So the code is gonna be 119 and then 368. So once again, it's 119368. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. Then you just have to click on install and wait a bit until the app gets properly installed to your Firestick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is. Open it up. And there's the SportsFire app, which we just got for you. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You have to click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.